Okay, so here we are in Livebinders after you have signed in with your new username, and you'll notice that I have the State History Livebinder from Social Studies 1. Just disregard that. What I want you to do is go over here and start a blank shelf because you're going to have 9 Livebinders. So this can be month resource Livebinders. You don't have to have a description or a tag. And then let's make it public so other people can view it. And just create new shelf. Okay, just click on it to go there. Then you'll see you have this blank canvas. Now you can start a blank Livebinder. And you're going to name these with the months of the school year. And you don't have to put tags or description. I usually do education, make it public. Use Google search to fill a binder. No, don't ever do that because there's a whole bunch of junk that gets put in there. And then it'll add it, and you're in edit mode right here. Well, what you should do with this first one, we're going to set up all the tabs together. The first one is lesson plan ideas. And then to the side of that, I'm going to put how many things I need to put in that tab and how many subtabs, just to remind me for later so I don't have to keep looking back at it. Tab 2 will be bulletin, if I can spell it right, board ideas, and I need 2 of those. This one will be arts activities, and I need 5 of those. Okay, now I need to add 2 more tabs, and so I'm just going to go over here to this plus sign and tab, and it just creates one for me. And I need kitchen fun, and I need 2 of those, and I'm going to add one more tab, and children's books. And I need at least 5 of those. Okay, so that is what it will look like, and then I'm going to save that, and I'm going to go back to my first, and actually I want to add this to a shelf. So I just went to options and then add to shelf, and then it brings up this little question over here, month resource Livebinder, and then add. Okay, and then I can go over there and it should be there. So in the options, we are now going to make copies because all of them will look like this except with different names to begin with. So this is the easiest way to make 9 copies. So go again, here I'm going to show you this, go to the options from your shelf, make a copy, and there it is. Now I'm going to go and rename this. I'm going to go to view and then edit, and then under binder settings, the binder name is right here. I'm going to change that name to October, and I'm going to get rid of those, and you can put your name here if you want to. Private copy disabled, you need to change that to public, and if you want to get copy disabled, that's fine. And if you want to change these other things, that's fine too, but I'm going to save that. Okay, and it changed my name over here. Okay. Now I'm going to go back over here to my shelf, and actually it put it on one of my public shelves, so I'm going to go back into options, add to shelf, and then it brought up my shelf over here and add, and then I'm going to go back to my shelf, and there's my October one. And now we need to do that 7 more times. I'm just going to go through it one more time so you can see. I'm on my month resource Livebinder shelf. I click options, make a copy. Okay, and there's my copy of October. I'm going to click into it, go over here to view, click on that, and then edit. Now I'm going to go to binder settings and change the name of it to my next one, which is November. Change it to public, and then you're done, and click save. And then it changed it to November. Okay, and I'm just going to click back on my username to get back to my shelf. Okay, and it has actually put it back on my public shelf. I want to add it to a shelf, so again I go to options, add to shelf, and here's my Livebinder. So there are the Livebinders that I have created. And that's how you do it. You just do it 6 more times.